Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a 15-minute dance workout. We will be doing Cumbia, Cha-Cha, Salsa, Samba, and American Rumba. By the way, we are doing research for a new program. If you are interested in helping us out, we will link the video below with more information. Alrighty guys, it is time for Cumbia. We're gonna start with the basic step. Left foot going back. Get ready. Here we go, and back, back, back. So right now, our foot is going straight back. Very good, keep this up. Get ready, because we're gonna overturn our basic. Go.
Nunca vas a sentirte sola. Nunca vas a sentirte mal.
Keep going.
Más brillante que una fara.
Left foot back, right foot back.
Alumbra tu luz espiritual.
Very good, keep going.
Todo va a estar bien, mamá. Anda sin soledad. Camina, camina.
Get ready,
camina por donde
because we're gonna add a tap. Here we go. And out. And very good. And back to that basic. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna tap behind. We're going 1, 2, 2, 2, 4. Step, tap, step, 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 tap, step, 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 tap, step, 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 tap. Very good. Back to that basic, back. Very good. Get ready, because we're gonna start doing some Cuban breaks. 5, 6, 7, go. Cross. 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn. Last one. Very good. Back to that basic. Go. Back. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna overturn it. Go. Very good. We're gonna tap and tap and back 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 and step.
Hay que caminar.
2, 4, 1, 2,
Hay que
3,
caminar.
2, 3, 4.
Por
2.
más que camino, oye, no dejo
Very good. Last one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn. Get ready,
Camina, camina, camina por donde
because we're gonna do some rolls. Roll. Roll. 5, 6, 7. Other side. Roll. Roll. 5, 6, 7. Other side. Roll. And other side. Very good. Back to that basic go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, guys. Alrighty, it is time for cha-cha. We are going to do some slip chassés. We're gonna do some ronde chassés. We're gonna have a lot of chassés. Get ready. Left foot going forward. Slip chassé. Here we go. And 2, 3. Hip twist. Ronde. Hip twist. twist,
fuego en mi alma,
ronde, hip twist. Keep going.
arde en mi pecho en la mañana. Y yo solamente pienso en ti.
Keep going. And slip,
Esta noche quiero
hip
que
twist,
seas mía.
ronde, hip twist.
No te niegues, me tienes aquí.
Very good. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3.
Fuego en mi
Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3.
corazón.
Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Keep this up.
Fuego en mi
Get those
alma.
arms moving. Those feet
Fuego
are moving nice and fast.
corazón. Mi amor por ti es puro
Very good.
fuego. Candela.
Cuban break. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and go. 2, 3, 4. 1, hold, hold, and side. 2, 3, 4. Hold, 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 and go. 2, 3, 4. Hold, 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 and go. 2, 3, 4. Hold
Es más
and go. 2
amorosa.
and 3 and 4 and hold. 4, go.
Nuestro amor por
Hold.
siempre vivirá.
Go. Hold and go.
Hay barreras
Syncopated Cuban breaks.
que no vencerá.
2, 3,
No, no, no.
1. Get ready, slip. Hip twist.
Fuego en mi
Ronde.
corazón.
Hip twist.
Fuego,
Slip. Hip twist.
fuego en mi alma.
Ronde. Hip twist. Slip. Cha-cha-cha. Hip twist.
Mi corazón.
Ronde. Cuban break and go. 2, 3, 4. Hold
Mi amor por ti es puro
and go.
fuego.
2, 3, 4. Hold and go. Hold.
Mi amor por ti es puro
Go. 2, 3, 4. Hold. Again. Hold. Go.
Puro fuego es mi amor por ti.
Very good. All right, guys. It is time for some salsa. We're gonna have some step and taps. We're gonna have some side taps. And we're gonna have some lock steps going forward and back. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, here we go. Step, tap. Very good, keep this up. Step, tap. And watch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3. And a 1, 2, 3. And a 1. Very good. Stop. Get ready. Side taps. Go. Step, tap. Keep this up. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna do those taps right away fast. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And lock. Forward. Bring it back. Back. Bring it forward. 1, 2, 3. Bring it back. One more time forward. Bring it back. Step and tap, go. Get ready. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And lock, go, lock. Bring it back. Bring it forward. Bring it back. Very good. Step and tap. Very good, guys. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Last one and lock. Forward. 2, 3. Bring it back. And forward. Very good. Alrighty, guys. It is time for the samba. We're gonna start with a whisk and a circular volta. We're gonna start with going to our left first. Get ready to whisk. Here we go. Whisk, whisk. Volta 2 and 3 and 4. Whisk, whisk. Volta 2 and 3 and 4. Whisk, whisk. Volta 2 and 3 and 4. Whisk. Let's just keep it up here. Let's get into this rhythm. Get used to it for a second. Very good. All right, get ready. We're gonna do a slow volta. Slow. Ta-ta. Slow. Ta-ta. Slow. Ta-ta. Slow. Ta-ta. Slow. Ta-ta. Slow. Ta-ta. Keep this up. Really feel those legs working. Legs working on that slow. Slow. Ta-ta. Slow. And 4. And 4. 1. And 4. 1. Ta-ta. Ta. Ta-ta. Slow stationary samba walk. Slow. Ta-ta. 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 Slow. Fast stationary samba walk. Hup. Very good. Get ready. Because we're gonna go back to that whisk. Go, whisk. Volta. Whisk. Volta. Again, whisk. Volta. Whisk. Volta. Again, whisk. Volta. Whisk. Volta. Slow whisk. Ta. Ta-ta. Ta. Ta-ta. Ta. Ta-ta. Ta. Slow stationary. Ta. Ta-ta. Boom. Ta-ta. Slow. Remember, use those legs. Boom. Ta-ta. Boom. Ta-ta. Boom. Ta-ta. Boom. Ta-ta. Get ready. Fast. Boom. Ba-da. Boom. Ba-da. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Alrighty, guys. Last but not least, we have our American Rumba. We are gonna mostly be thinking about strengthening our core during all of these steps. It's mostly just gonna be about hips and core, keeping it tight the whole time while we dance. Get ready. We're just gonna start on the spot. Slow, quick, quick timing. Get ready. Here we go. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Like I said, tighten that core. Really feel it working to its maximum. What I like to say is that I have a pretend zipper on my pants. That zipper all the way from the bottom to my belly button, and I zipper it up nice and tight. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Keep that zipper zipped. Get ready. We're gonna go to a box. Back. So like I said, really focusing on that center. So let your arms do what's natural and let them be free, because we're putting all of that attention on the core. Hands forward, side together, back, side together, forward, side together, back, side together, forward, side together, back. Keep it going, forward, side together, back. Very good. Get ready, we're gonna go into a time step side and together. Cool. Very good. Keep this up. If your core isn't burning by now, oh, then I don't know what to say, because mine is on fire. Keep this up. Back on the spot, here we go. I'm really feeling resistance in my body parts. Keep going. Box and boom, boom, back and side together. Very good. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you haven't done so yet, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.